Hi, Max and Alex. Ivan here. Um, all right, I've run into a very weird problem yesterday, and I spent a couple of hours trying to figure it out. It's the first time I've ever had this problem, after doing about 40 plus builds using exactly the same plugins and exactly the same theme. And I want to quickly show you what's going on here. All right, so this website is fine, okay? Everything is perfect here. And if this is now the home page, Flat Roof Repair New York. And if we click on commercial roofing contractors, the website opens, right? But if we take a look at the slug over here, it's got this page ID. And the reason for that is because if we go into the back end, and if we go to settings over here, and we go to permalinks, all right, let's quickly wait for that to load. It's taking a little bit of time. Wi-Fi must have dropped. Okay, there we go. So I'm on plane at the moment, but I'm not supposed to be there. All right. On each build, we need to be clicked on post name. All right. The problem I'm having is when I click on post name like this over here, which is normal, and I save it. All right, that's fine. But now if I open up this page over here now, let me show you what's happening. All right. I've just shown you that if it's on plain, it works fine. But now if I click on Commercial Roofing Contractors New York, this page over here, look at what happens. It's giving me an error message, not found. The required URL Commercial Roofing Contractor Arizona was not found on the server. And it was giving me a 404 error. So I couldn't figure out why I was getting that message. So I started backtracking. I basically I built one generic template, and then I duplicated the template using the all-in-one WordPress migration. And I thought perhaps maybe when I created the template, when I exported it, maybe it didn't download properly or there was a problem. So I deleted that from the second website, and I started uploading the themes separately and the plugins separately because I know they work because I've used them for all my other builds. You see, this is the problem. It says 404 not found, and it's giving me this error message over here. So, like I said, I backtracked, and that didn't work. I was still getting the same problem. So eventually, what I did was I took the all-in-one WordPress migration template, and I installed it on one of my domains. This one over here. It says www.bankruptcyattorneypros.co.za, and I'm using my hosting, which is HostGator. And if we take a look, everything works perfectly. Okay, the pages pick up and they load as per normal. And if we go into the dashboard of this website, if we go into settings, you can see that I've got the post name on. It's activated the way it should be, and it also, the slug reads properly. It reads Commercial Roofing Contractors Ohio. But for some reason, when we do it with yours, it's not working. So I backtracked and checked all my plugins. I checked all my themes. Everything's working 100%. I took the template and I've uploaded it onto my website, and it works perfectly. So I did some research on this 404 not found error, and basically it boils down to some sort of a hosting problem. Okay, and I did some research, and this is a video that I got. I uploaded it for you so you guys can take a look. And there are also 2 website pages over there that you guys can take a look at. The bottom line is my findings are that it's something to do with your hosting that you guys are doing. Your hosting, by the way, is fantastic hosting as far as me running my plugins to get these pages up and going. Very, very fast. It did everything in one go. It's probably some of the best hosting I've dealt with when it comes to building out these pages. But there's some sort of an error. If you take a look at this, they talk about the HT access page. Something's missing there, and you need to put in a bit of code over there. I don't have access to your hosting, so I can't play around with it and see if I can fix it for you. So this is the problem. So I currently have all 3 builds on hold. I haven't made them go live yet. search engine visibility is turned off. We need to get this sorted out first before we can make it go live, because otherwise you're going to get these. If we leave it on plain, then you're going to get these slugs. It's not going to work for ranking purposes. So I need you guys to go to, take a look at the information that I've, the research that I've done, and then see if you can't fix it, or if you can't fix it, then get hold of your hosting provider and ask them to help you, because this is a problem. I can show you 20, I can show you about 40 plus websites using all the same plugins. Built in the USA, built in the UK, built in Australia. I've never had this problem before, so I don't know what the problem is. It's definitely a hosting problem on your end, and I need you guys to quickly fix that. As soon as you've figured that out and got it right, let me know. So at the moment, if it's on post name and we've got the error, I'm going to put it back to plain over here. If I put it back to plain and I save it, and we go back to the web page, you'll see that it works again, but the slugs obviously now are not working because it's on plain. If I click on commercial roofing contractors, it opens up perfectly, everything works, but obviously we need to get the permalinks right. We need it on post name, very important for ranking purposes. So that's the first problem. And then the second problem is the Gmail accounts you guys gave me. The Gmail accounts are over here, and the New York commercial roofing contractors, that one works, but the other two don't work. And let me show you. It's showing that there's no account. If I quickly click on that and I open up a, let's quickly click on Gmail. If I want to open up a new account, use another account, which is this one, and I type in Ohio commercial roofing contractors and I click next, it's giving me a couldn't find your Google account. So it's saying that this account doesn't exist. And the same thing is happening for Arizona. So I just need you guys to create me 2 new Gmail accounts so that I can create a YouTube channel for you. Just to quickly show you New York commercial roofing contractors. Let's quickly go there. Let's quickly go to this website. This one over here. I've created a YouTube channel. I've popped the video into the YouTube channel and I've pasted it. It's feeding from your YouTube channel to your website over here. If we go have a look, what I did was I tried to name it. I tried to name the channel Flat Roof Repair New York. That's what I typed in. But then Google spat out York Roofer and I couldn't change it. But it's not a train smash at all. That's just the name of the channel. But we've got the name of the video, and if you take a look at the video, I put in a long description over here of I put in a long article over here within the YouTube channel, and I just quickly want to show you something. If we take our keyword flat roof repair New York, and if we go to a incognito window and we type that in there, I just want to quickly see where we are with. If we go to videos, YouTube, as you can see, I've already got you on the 3rd spot for that specific keyword within YouTube, and that's because I'm optimizing properly. I'd like to do the same for the other 2 channels, but I need Gmail accounts to get that going. So you are currently ranking number 3 in YouTube for flat roof repair New York. This is your video over here. So those are my 2 issues. I need you guys to just quickly get back to me and let me know what's going on with this 4 error, and then please provide me with 2 Gmail accounts. As soon as we get that going, then I can make the website go live, and then we basically then off to the races. Thanks, guys. I'll speak to you later. Take care. Cheers.